Alright, I thought I'd make a quick video on the Xpedition 4. You know, you've seen the unboxing and people buying these speakers, and it's a, you know, the workmanship on it is very nice, you know, everything. But I've only had it for 2 months and it stopped working. Usually when you push this button here, it tells you the battery life and it lights up. But it stopped working. I couldn't connect. It started turning off on me when I was, you know, jamming to some tunes. And like I said, it doesn't do anything. When you push the power button, that's all that happens. It doesn't turn on no more or anything. I've tried charging it. I've tried, you know, maybe thought it was something that, you know, could be like bypass. I tried holding down different buttons at the same time, like you can with the Xpedition 850s, I believe. But this one, there's no reset. I called Altec. I've only had it for 2 months, but they offer a year warranty, you know, from the manufacturer, from Altec. But the trick is you have to buy from an authorized dealer. So basically, I'm just returning this from wherever I purchased it. I purchased it on eBay, and they are going to give me a refund because I actually purchased the warranty through them for like an extra $10. So that's the only reason why I'm getting refunded. They said they didn't have any speakers to replace it with, so they offered me a refund. But again, just, you know, be aware when you buy these, you know, online. Find out if they're an authorized dealer, so you won't have this problem, you know, for yourself if something does go wrong with your speaker. Apparently, they got some pretty bad reviews. Just, you know, kind of ask the person if they are an authorized dealer. And I don't think you would have any issues getting it replaced within that year from Altec at that point. But I'm a huge Altec fan. I used to have for my computer speakers, stuff like that. I even have this bad boy here, the Life Jacket XL. Works great. I've had it for about 2 years. You know, this one I do take everywhere with me, so it does get like used plenty. But again, this one, awesome. The way it lit up, everything was a cool speaker. Not as good as your like JBL brand or something like that. I think that one bumped a little bit harder. But this was overall a pretty nice speaker with the lights and everything. I was real happy with it. It sounded great, but just don't work no more, guys. That's that.